Hello everyone, you're welcome in Vision IAS Preliminary Test Series 3 Part 3. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like this video. The credit of this video goes to Vision IAS. Hello guys, in the last video we have discussed up to question number 66. In this video, we will start from question number 67. Arrange the following regions in increasing order of annual rainfall variability: Western Ghats, Western Rajasthan, Western Gangetic Plains. The correct answer of question number 67 is B. 1, then 3, then 2. The next question is question number 68. Consider the following statement with regard to river Vasundhara. It is an east-flowing river between Rushikulya and Godavari. The river passes through Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Bodepalli Rajgopala Rao project was constructed on it to meet the irrigation needs. The correct answer of question number 68 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. River Vamsadhara. It is an east-flowing river between Rushikulya and Godavari in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The next question is question number 69. With reference to the sea floor spreading thesis, consider the following statement. Constant ridges create new plane material. It is verified by the age of rocks, as rocks closer to mid-oceanic ridge are the oldest. The correct answer of question number 69 is A. 1 only. It is proposed by Hess in 1961. The next question is question number 70. Which of the following geological events has shaped the present drainage system of peninsular India? Submergence of western flank of the peninsula, upheavals of the Himalayas, slight tilting the peninsular block the northwest to the southern-eastern direction. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 70 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 71. Which of the following are the outcomes of exogenic processes? The correct option of question number 71 is C. 1 and 4 only. Denuded hills and soil creep. The next question is question number 72. Red and yellow soils are widely prevalent in the Deccan Plateau. With reference to these soils, consider the following statement. They develop on crystalline igneous rocks in area of low rainfall. The reddish color of the soil is due to the diffusion of iron. The correct answer of question number 72 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 73. Consider the following statement with respect to continental shelf, a division of ocean floor. It is the shallowest part of the ocean. The width of the continental shelves vary from one ocean to another. Rich fishing grounds are located in continental shelves due to the availability of planktons. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct option of question number 73 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 74. Consider the following statement regarding forms of precipitation. Snow is formed when the temperature is lower than 0 degrees Celsius and moisture is released in the form of hexagonal crystals. Hailstones is formed when rainwater passes through successive layers of colder layers and forms several concentric layers of ice. The correct answer of question number 74 is C. Both 1 and 2. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 75. Which of the following are Atlantic Ocean currents? Benguela current, Canary Current, Alaska Current, Humboldt Current, Labrador Current. The correct answer of question number 75 is A. 1, 2 and 5 only. Benguela Current, Labrador Current and Canary Current. All are the Benguela Current is a cold current, Canary Current is also cold current, and Labrador Current is also cold current. The next question is question number 76. The rise and fall of the tides play an important role in the natural world and can have marked effect on maritime related activities. In this context, the tides help in removing of polluted water from estuaries, enable ships to arrive at the harbor in the shallow water safely, can be used to generate electricity, help in fishing. The correct option of question number 76 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 77. Debris, avalanches and landslides occur very frequently in the Himalayas because they are tectonically active. They are mostly made up of unconsolidated and semi-consolidated deposits. They receive heavy rainfall over short periods. The correct answer of question number 77 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 78. Consider the following statement regarding black soil. It is a birthplace in northern and eastern plates. It is generally clayey, deep and impermeable. They are also known as regular soil. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct option of question number 78 is B. 2 and 3 only. In the upper reaches of Godavari and Krishna are the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. The black soil is very deep. These soils are also known as regular soil or the black cotton soil. The next question is question number 79. Consider the following: Rift Valley Lakes, Tar Lakes, Kettle Lakes. The correct answer of question number 79 is B. 2 and 3. These lakes given above are formed due to glaciation. The next question is question number 80. Which of the following causes the complete reversal of North Indian oceanic currents between summer and winter? The correct answer of question number 80 is D. Monsoon winds. In the North India Ocean, there is a complete reversal of the direction of currents between summer and winter due to changes of monsoon winds. The next question is question number 81. Which of the following are the direct sources of information about the Earth's interior? Rocks from mining areas, meteors, seismic activity, volcanic eruption. The correct option of question number 81 is C. 1 and 4 only. The next question is question number 82. Which of the following UNESCO Biosphere Reserve is located between Narmada and Tapi river valleys? The correct answer of question number 82 is option A. Panchmadi. Panchmadi Bioreserve is located in the Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh. The Satpura range from watershed between the river Narmada and north and river Tapi to the south. UNESCO designated it is a biosphere reserve in 2009. The next question is question number 83. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the salinity in the oceans? Option A. Salinity in equatorial water is higher than the average ocean's water salinity. In the zone of halocline, Salinity rapidly decreases with increasing depth. Sodium chloride constitutes more than 75% of dissolved mineral water in the ocean. Option D. Arabian Sea shows lower salinity trends than Bay of Bengal. The correct option of question number 83 is C. Sodium chloride constitutes more than 75% of the dissolved mineral water in the ocean. The next question is question number 84. Which of the following are the impacts of occurrence of El Nino? Distortion of equatorial atmospheric circulation, delay in the onset of southwest monsoon over the Indian subcontinent, reduction in the number of fish in the sea along the Peruvian coast. The correct answer of question number 84 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 85. Which of the following regions can be best described by the term Bushveld landscape? Bushveld landscape. The correct option of question number 85 is C. Savanna grassland. Savanna grasslands are typified by tall grasses and short trees. The terms parkland and bushveld describe the landscape better. The next question is question number 86. Which of the following countries have rather ratified or not signed the Arms Trade Treaty? The correct answer of question number 86 is D. 1, 3 and 5 only. India, China and North Korea neither ratified nor signed the Arms Trade Treaty. The next question is question number 87. With reference to the types of earthquake waves, consider the following statement. Primary waves move faster than the secondary waves. Primary waves can travel only through solid materials, while secondary waves can travel through any medium. The correct option of question number 87 is A. 1 only. There are two types of body waves. One is P waves, means primary waves. The next is S waves, means secondary waves. The next question is question number 88. Consider the following statement with reference to the river Yamuna. It is the westernmost tributary of river Ganga. It has its source on western slopes of Bandarpur range in Uttarakhand. It passes through 4 states and 1 union territory of India. The correct option of question number 88 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The Yamuna, the westernmost tributary and longest tributary of river Ganga. The next question is question number 89. These are dome-shaped granitic bodies formed from the cooled portion of magma chambers. They appear on the surface only after the denudational process removes the overlaying materials. They cover large areas and at times assume depth that may be several kilometers. The correct answer of question number 89 is D. Batholiths. There are dome-shaped granitic bodies formed from the cooled portion of magma chambers. They appear on the surface only after the denudational processes remove the overlying materials. They cover large areas and at times assume depth that may be several kilometers. The next question is question number 90. Consider the following statement in the context of Himalayas. They are of tectonic origin. These are the world's youngest folded mountains. There is no volcanic activity in the Himalayan region. The correct answer of question number 90 is A. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 91. Consider the following pairs: range hills in news and state or union territories. The correct option of question number 91 is B. 2 and 3. Lali Ane is from Arunachal Pradesh. Chang Chenmo is in Ladakh. And Sasar Kangri. Sasar Kangri is a mountain in India. It is the highest peak in Sasir Mustang, the easternmost sub-range of Karakoram range. Sasri Kangri is located within Ladakh, the northernmost union territory in India. The next question is question number 92. Consider the following statement regarding the Asian Investment Bank, AIIB. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB. Membership to AIIB is limited to Asian countries only. It finances projects within Asia only. India is one of its founding members. The correct option of question number 92 is C, third only. India is one of its founding members. Its AIIB headquartered in Beijing, and its operation started in January 2016. The next question is question number 93. Winter monsoons do not cause rainfall in most parts of India because they do not have adequate humidity to cause rainfall. Anticyclonic circulation on land reduces the possibility of rainfall. The correct option of question number 93 is C, both 1 and 2. They do not have adequate humidity to cause rainfall. Anticyclonic circulation on land reduces the possibility of rainfall. The next question is question number 94. This type of climate is experienced along the eastern coast of tropical lands, receiving steady rainfall from the trade winds all the time. The rainfall is both orographic as well as convectional. There is no month without any rainfall. Which type of climate is being referred to in the above passage? The correct option of question number 94 is B, tropical marine climate. The tropical marine climate is experienced along the eastern coast of tropical lands in Central America, West Indies, Northeastern Australia, Eastern Africa, etc. They receive steady rainfall from the trade winds all the time. The rainfall is both orographic, where the moist plates meet upland masses as in eastern Brazil, and convectional due to intense heating during the day and in summer. There is no month without any rainfall. The next option is question number 95. Question is, consider the following statement. All parts of southern India receive rainfall from northeast monsoon. Northern India experiences a high daily and annual range of temperatures than southern India. The correct answer of question number 95 is B, 2 only. The next question is question number 96. Consider the following pairs: deserts and country. Patagonia Desert, Mojave Desert, Gypsum Desert. Countries are Saudi Arabia, USA and Turkey. The correct answer of question number 96 is C, 2 only. Mojave Desert is in USA, and Patagonian Desert is also known as Patagonian Steppe, and it is the largest desert in Argentina. The Gypsum Desert. Gypsum Desert is a arid zone in the interior of Western Australia. Western Australia. The next question is question number 97. Which of the following process of the rock formation is being described in the below passage? When the rocks of the Earth's surface area exposed to gravitational agents, they are broken up into various sizes of fragments. Such fragments are transported by different exogenous agencies and deposited. These deposits through compaction turn into rocks. It is a process of porosity destruction through compaction and fermentation. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 97 is C. Lithification. The next question is question number 98. Consider the following pairs: water channels and between 10-degree channel, Duncan Passage, Coco Strait, between Andaman and Nicobar Island, Middle Andaman and Little Andaman, Greater Nicobar and Sumatran Island. The correct answer of question number 98 is D. One only. 10-degree channel is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Coco Strait. Coco Strait is between the North Andaman and the Coco Islands of Myanmar. And Duncan Passage, it is separate South Andaman, which is Greater Andaman, and Little Andaman. The next question is question number 99. Residual mountains are found as a result of erosion of an existing elevated area. Which of the following hills are residual hills or mountains? The correct option of question number 99 is C. 1 and 3 only. Aravalli Hills and Javadi Hills. And other residual hills are Nallamala Hills, Mahendragiri, Aravallis, Javadi, Velikonda and Palkonda. The next question is 100. It is the last question of this video series. With reference to the ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone, consider the following statement. It is a low pressure zone formed by the interaction of tailwinds and westerlies in the tropics. Its oscillation causes annual variation in intensity and the amount of rainfall. The correct answer of question number 100 is B. 2 only. The ITCZ is a low pressure zone located at the equator where trade wind converge, and so it is zone where air tends to ascend. Then its oscillation causes annual variation in intensity and the amount of rainfall. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys.